Now we'll discuss question number 9. Look at this question. On a 120 kilometer track, a train travels first 30 kilometer at a uniform speed of 30 kilometer per hour. Calculate the speed with which the train should move rest of the track so as the average speed becomes 60 kilometer per hour for the entire trip. So first, try to understand this question. Let the train start from position A. Total length of the track is 120 kilometer. The train travels first 30 kilometer. First 30 kilometer led from position A to position B. First 30 kilometer at a uniform speed of 30 kilometer per hour. So S1 is, we can consider 30 kilometer, first 30 kilometer with a speed of 30 kilometer per hour. The question is, calculate the speed with which the train should move rest of the track. So B to C, we can consider the rest of the track, and the average speed for that trip should become 60 kilometer per hour. And we have to calculate the speed in this part, V2. The speed with which the train should travel from B to C so that the average speed becomes 60 kilometer per hour. And we know the entire length, it is 120 kilometers, so S2 will be 120 kilometer minus 30 kilometer, that is 90 kilometer. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to calculate V2. Now the solution of question number 9, we have to find out V2 in the second part. So we'll solve like this. First case में we can write V1 is equals to S1 by T1. So T1 is equals to S1 by V1. S1 is 30. V1 is also 30. So 30 by 30 hours, or we can write 1 hour. Now in the second case we can write V2 is equals to S2 by T2, and T2 is equals to S2 by V2. T2 is equals to S2 is 90, and V2 we will have to find, so we can write here V2. So T2 is 90 by V2 hours. And we know what? We know that average speed is equals to total distance covered S1 plus S2 by total time taken T1 plus T2. Average speed value is given here. Average speed is 60 kilometer per hour, and S1 is 30, S2 is 90, total is 120 kilometer, T1 is 1 hour, and T2 is 90 by V2. If we solve this, we can get easily V2. So 60 equals to, we can write here 120 and V2 plus 90 by V2. If we simplify it, 60 equals to 120 V2 plus 90, like this. In the next part, we can further simplify it. We can write like this: V2 plus 90 equals to 120 into V2 by 60. simply transpose V2 plus 90 here and 60 in the denominator. Now 2 V2 plus 90 equals to 2V2. So 90 equals to 2V2 minus V2. Therefore, we can write V2 equals to 90 km per hour. So, the train should move the second part with a speed of 90 km per hour so that the average speed becomes 60 km per hour.